Hi, this is Dr. Kilgore's video review of Lesson 3-7, Dividing Decimals by Decimals. In this lesson, you will learn that you can divide decimals by decimals. We'll start out with a little bit of division vocabulary. Inside of the division box goes the dividend, which is divided by the divisor. And your answer of a division problem is called the quotient. Now, if your division problem is written horizontally, you have your dividend divided by your divisor equals your quotient. The dividend always goes inside of the box, the divisor always goes outside of the box, and your quotient is always your answer. To learn the steps, there are a few easy steps to follow. The first step starts with copy the problem into the division box. Remember that the first number is always your dividend. It goes inside of the box. The second number in a horizontal problem is always the divisor and goes outside of the box. The quotient or answer is what we are looking for in a division problem. Step 2, you're going to move the decimal to make the divisor a whole number. This means in this problem you're going to take the decimal from 5/10. You are going to move it over one spot to make your 5 a whole number. Step 3 in solving a decimal problem where you divide decimals by decimals is to move the decimal in the dividend to match the move for the divisor. So since for 5/10 we move the decimal one space to the right, for 9 and 65/100 we're going to move the decimal one place to the right, just the same. And then we move on to step 4, which is you place that decimal up on the decimal box just so you don't forget that it's there. Step 5, you kind of ignore all of your decimals that you've moved and you divide like normal. So when we think about this problem, we look at the 9 and we ask ourselves how many times will 5 go into 9 without going over? One time. So 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. We subtract the 5 from the 9 and get 4. Then we go ahead and bring our 6 on down so we can keep dividing. What number times 5 is close to 46 without going over? That would be 9. 9 multiplied by 5 is 45 that we're going to subtract from the 46. 6 minus 5 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. We bring down our 5 and end up with 15. And we ask ourselves what number times 5 is close to 15 without going over? Yes, that's 3. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. We subtract. Our answer is 0. So the answer to 9 and 65/100 divided by 5/10 equals 19 and 3/10. Thank you for watching this review of dividing decimals by decimals.